to Fussels TV, and this time we're doing slightly different, but I still have my old friend, the Melican, here with me today.
You certainly do.
I'm very, very good, very, very good. Now, the difference today is we're doing a dessert.
Finally!
We're doing a pudding.
Yeah.
Now, just very, very briefly before we go into this, so this is going to be, we've used a little bit of oil in the preparation of this dessert, and we're going to do a chocolate frangipane with honey roasted pineapple with an almond vanilla ice cream. Now, the brilliant thing about this ice cream is it is Mr. Johnny's dairy-free ice cream himself. So what you'll see is I'm going to be giving you the website address for not only Fussels Fine Foods but Johnny's dairy-free ice cream as well, and you'll see that come up on the screen. So, John, tell me about this one, because I'm fascinated.
Well, basically, Tim, what I've made we made a frangipane today. We made it out of goat's butter.
Right, and
okay.
Frangipane, tell me, because I didn't really
I
know
love
what frangipane was.
Bagel tarts.
Bagel tart. Now, that's a lovely almondy, cakey.
It is. We have it with a bit of jam normally, the bakewell area.
Yeah.
But we're going to put some chocolate through it.
And who doesn't like chocolate?
Exactly, yeah, exactly. So we made 2 of these today, Tim, because we knew that you'd be here.
Oh, thank you very much. Don't let me laugh. Right, okay, so we're going to get straight on with the pineapple.
What we're going to do, I'm going to give you the pineapple and I'm going to describe what we're going to do with the frangipane.
Okay.
Alright, so basically we've got a pan on here, it's getting warm now. So what we're going to do, we are going to basically cook down this pineapple. I've started already. So what we need to do is
I'm going to cut that skin off.
All the outside skin off, right? You know what that means?
Okay, right,
okay. And while you're doing that, I'm going to explain what we're doing.
Okay.
So basically, when you make a frangipane, it's all equal quantities of butter, which you whip up quite high to a white with sugar, with it's really white, and then you incorporate your eggs slowly, and then basically thereafter add a little bit of vanilla essence or a bit of almond essence. It's personally up to you. And then Tim, you add a little bit of ground almonds.
And how's that looking?
Well, basically, Tim,
what am I doing? Am I chopping this up into cubes? Am I cubing
what
this?
What we're going to do, Tim, we're just going to take it like that.
Yeah.
And what we're going to do, we're going to take it off like that. All right?
Yeah.
Take all these bits off.
Yeah, okay.
And then, I tell you what, Tim, since we kind of crashed on in this, you'll get a lot quicker.
Okay.
You might get a full-time job in the kitchen, you know.
Right, okay, so am I doing away with this?
Yes, you are.
Doing away with
so what we're going to do, Tim, we're actually going to use your recipe off today.
We're going to it's all very well using a mug.
Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to just get this in here. Yeah, get it hot. Yeah. So anyway, get back to this. So what I'm going to do is put some chocolate at the bottom, these little pistols, 54%, yeah. That's a strong bit of chocolate. And then what we're going to do is add the frangipane. Now obviously I've made this before because obviously we want it to set. Okay, obviously we want to do something quite quick here. This you can keep in the fridge, keeps for a long time, cooked and raw. Okay, which is ideal for when you're at home, got a busy schedule, a bit like yourself, Tim. Yeah?
Always busy.
So all we're going to do is half fill it up. Yeah, there's going to be a bit of a rise on this, because what do eggs do when they cook? I think of soufflés. What do?
They rise.
Exactly. Yeah. So you need a little bit at the top. Yeah. So you keep a little bit at the top. It's not going to be a soufflé, of course. Yeah, but we need to we're going to have some rise on that. And then we're going to add a little bit of chocolate on top, yeah?
That's a lot of chocolate on top.
It's
probably like a bit of chocolate.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Right, now, what, am I chopping this up in a cube?
So what we're going to do,
no, we're not.
We're going to throw it straight in.
We're going to throw it straight in?
Yeah, straight in, yeah. And then we're going to get it a bit hotter so we can get sizzle going on. Yeah, if we can get it.
You're going to get the hang of this cooker one there, aren't you?
Hopefully, yeah.
Are you going to use this one as well or not?
No, we won't need that.
Well, I'm going to put that
so what I'm going to put this in the oven now. Oh, there we go. Yeah, put that in the oven, yeah. So that's in there.
That's in there.
So you get that cracking on.
And we can now hear that cracking away.
Yeah, so we get that going on. Yeah.
Look at that, absolutely delicious.
So I'm just literally, what I'm going to do, Tim, I'm going to take that out.
Already?
Yeah, and I'm just going to do it in 3 bits.
Look at that.
Yeah. I'm going to put it back in. Yeah? Simple.
Yeah.
So what we're going to do, we'll put that in there. So, as we have a motto in our kitchen, here's what I prepared earlier.
Look at that. Now I think you've probably heard that.
So here we are.
Now this little beauty here.
So this has been in here, right? This has taken at 180, 15 minutes to cook. 15 minutes at 180.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it's nice golden brown, and you can tell it's cooked on the top, so it's nice and firm. And it's nice and delicious. On the chocolate on the top's quite soft as well. Yeah.
And it's not melted too good.
Yeah,
it's just perfect.
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly, yeah. So you obviously for the old days at home, they are very Murray Berry books. You can stick a little thing in the middle of it. If nothing comes out, here presto, the eggs are down and it's all cooked.
Okay, fantastic.
Okay.
So,
So
that's that all done. That was remarkably quick.
Yeah.
Now
okay.
we've got
Now, what we've got going on here is the pineapple again.
the
Yeah?
pineapple, right?
So, what we're going to do here, I'm going to take this off and put this over here. I know it's not the camera, but we'll put it there. So, what we're going to put in here now is a little bit more sugar.
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah, a little bit of sugar. And a little bit of honey.
Honey, right, okay.
Yeah. A little bit of honey.
Oh, we better take the top off first.
Yeah, I know, it usually works, isn't it?
Yeah.
So, a little bit of honey.
A little bit of honey. Now,
Yeah.
this is going to give it a nice sweetness.
Nice bit of sweetness, exactly that.
Okay.
And a nice caramelisation.
And how long are we going to cook this for?
Oh, till it's all we want is a nice caramelisation in here.
Okay.
Yeah, so you can see it doing it already.
Yeah, I can, yeah.
Yeah, and you can yeah. So that's going on there. So
Now I can smell that. I can smell the caramelisation happening right in front of us.
So what we're going to do, which is probably an unusual ingredient, probably thinking.
Yeah, I'm looking at the ingredients over there. I'm thinking.
So I think we're going to use a bit of coriander.
You're right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now I've done a bit of time in the Far East, Tim, as you well know.
Yeah,
I've
I
done that
do.
for a long time. And we use a lot of fresh herbs, and we use
You're
a lot.
going to use the
Yeah.
fresh herbs in with the pineapple. Is that right?
Exactly that. Exactly that. And what we're doing with this is, yeah, nice and fine. I could have got you doing this, Tim.
You could have gone, but you're doing it much, much better than I am.
Well,
Okay, so while we're doing this, I'm just going to mention that. I'll mention the Johnny's Free ice cream website in a second because we're going to get that out. But just so as you know, the rapeseed oil, as you know by now, is all available at www.fusselsfinefoods.co.uk. All available online, or you can come over here to Fussels HQ and you can buy any three products for £10. And if you come over, you might be lucky enough to catch us in the act of filming one of our next episodes for Fussels TV.
Brilliant.
But however, back to the what's going on here.
so now, Tim, you see we've got a nice colour on there, yeah?
Yeah, I do. So
Yeah,
they're not.
So we're going to put a bit of lemon in there,
We get a
yeah?
bit of
Now that's the sauce, yeah?
yeah.
So you can taste this, and this kind of cuts the sweetness out. Amazing.
Amazing. And then
Yeah.
in goes the coriander.
Yeah, in goes the coriander.
Now I'm looking forward to this because this is something I.
Yeah, so we're going like that, yeah?
Yeah, yeah.
And then, oh, lovely. So, what I'm going to do, Tim, is obviously,
Yeah.
I can see you're curious on your face.
I'm very,
Now
very
this is
curious.
quite hot, yeah, so just be careful, but you need to give it a good old blow, and you'll just see what the coriander does to the plate. It freshens it up completely, yeah.
That is amazing.
Yeah.
That is absolutely amazing.
Yeah?
Absolutely
So
amazing.
what we would think is a savoury, something savoury, it's not
But
really.
it's done exactly what you said. It's freshened up the
Freshened
flavour.
it up.
completely,
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So we've got a nice hot tart, yeah, tart on there.
Frangipane.
Frangipane tart, chocolate
Yeah.
Frangipane tart.
So are we going to lift that out of the?
No, what I was going to do, Tim, I mean, obviously, we could do it in a big square or whatever else and you cut it out, but I just like doing it individually today,
Okay.
just so we can, so what's going to happen is I'm just going to put these on here, and then you can not basically add the frangipane and the pineapple and mix it all up together yourself, you know?
Okay. And now what have we got coming in here? Because
So this is my ice
this
cream.
is your dairy-free.
This is my ice cream. And what I do with this, Tim, right, is that I've actually, years ago, I had an events company, right, and I went to the Far East, yeah, and I was doing a lot of events, and a lot of my clients in the wealthier countries, not saying this, were all dairy-free, massively, so the demand was massive, but there was nothing on the market that was really good. So what I've done, I've invented a new process of making ice cream, yeah.
And I, for one, can tell you that this ice cream is absolutely delicious.
So I've made a new process, and I've also, it's actually made from seaweed, so there's no eggs in it neither, so it's actually vegan, actually.
Right.
Some of them vegetarian.
Yeah.
So obviously, in my honeycomb I actually use honey.
Yeah.
And so obviously some vegans are vegans. So I don't want to just.
Some vegans are indeed
Well,
vegans.
you know what I mean. Yeah.
So what we're going to do now is we're going to use some of this wonderful ice cream.
Yeah.
And I think this is the vanilla.
And you can see it scoops like really well, like
Yeah.
a proper restaurant ice cream. You can see that, yeah. You see that?
Well, I can see it. I can't wait. I don't want to watch it for too much longer.
So we'll just do that, yeah. So
Yeah.
just get that
Look
going.
at that.
And then.
A little bit of the old. Look at that. Look
Yeah.
at that.
So
Now we've got a bit of hot and cold going on here as well.
why
haven't we?
not? Yeah, I mean, my mum and dad always brought me up on crumble, and and when we got older, we had ice cream because we were obviously we got a bit more affluent now.
Oh right, so you went from custard to ice cream. There we go.
Exactly.
Right.
So yeah, so you want to mix in mix it all up, and please tuck into him. Yeah, tell him Johnny's dairy free.
So I'm gonna try a bit of the dairy-free ice cream. Now, am I gonna take a scoop out of here straight away?
Mix it all up, mate, because these will all break up when you get the spoon on there as well.
Right.
Okay.
Now, this is what I'm particularly looking forward to here. Oh. John.
Nice and soft with pineapple, yeah, it goes with that. Yeah.
Well, I haven't had any pineapple yet.
Have
I'm
you
going to
not?
try some pineapple now. But the frangipane itself is, I'm just going to use my...
What would they say about my frangipane?
Well, they would say, oh, John, qu'est-ce que je peux dire? C'est super ton frangipane.
Brilliant.
You will not... Oh. Now, we've got... John's come up with some stunning recipes over the last few weeks, and this is the first dessert. And I'm just going to tell you, he's told you about the Johnny's Dairy Free Ice Cream. Now you can go and learn more about that on his website at www.johnnysdairyfreeicecream.com, and that's Johnny's JOHNIES, and that will be on your screen when we finish editing the video. So go and take a look at his ice cream. It's absolutely superb. Obviously, our oil is available at www.fusselsfinefoods.co.uk. And this, I can tell you, is one to try. So, Johnny,
brilliant.
Thank you very much.
More desserts to come then.
More desserts to come. He's looking forward to next time.
Brilliant. Thank you very much.
much.
Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.